When it comes to XBRL, how it works, well, you've seen how XML works through the W3 training. So kind of a similar concept here. If I want to display and report cash and cash equivalents of $35,000, well, I'm going to look in my XBRL taxonomy schema file for that element name. And I'll find it down there, cash equivalents. And you can see all kinds of information about it. Yeah, it's going to require a monetary data type. It is expecting a debit balance, so a positive number will be a debit balance. It represents an instant in time, so it's a real account on the balance sheet. And then with that information, I can put together an instance document that tells me, yes, I'm going to use cash equivalents. I'm going to report with the decimal moved 0 places. So this is one of those where you oftentimes will see in the 10K amounts are reported in thousands or even millions, in which case you would say decimals are -3 or -6. But here we're just reporting the number as is, so decimals equals 0. I have set up a context in my document that identifies the end of 2004, so I know it's for my end of my fiscal year 2004, whatever date I have identified in my context to be that date. I also have a unit reference here of Canadian dollars. So these are Canadian dollars, not US dollars. And then of course I put the amount, 35,000, and the closing tag. Then I can apply this instance document to a style sheet that you see below. And when I open it up in a web browser, I would see it like you see there. The title of the account and the dollar amount with a dollar indicator over to the left. All right, so that's XBRL in a nutshell. It's basically defined to communicate data electronically between businesses. And so we'll see what happens with it going forward. It holds out some promise to improve the speed and accuracy of business reporting, but that relies on how widely it's adopted. So we'll see where that goes.